Draw a tree with leaves so green too, a house, a farm, and a red barn. Let's fill the world with colors so warm. Color, color, let's all create. With Daddy Pig, it's never too late. Shape and shade, make your world so bright. Let's color with Daddy Pig tonight. Daddy Pig's got a funny face. Come on, kids, let's keep up the pace. A big round sun up in the sky. Let's add clouds and watch them fly. Draw a rainbow with colors so bold. Pink and yellow, red and gold. Let's add a tree with fruit so sweet. A basket for the apples, what a treat. Color, color, let's all create. With Daddy Pig, it's never too late. Shape and shade, make your world so bright. Let's color with Daddy Pig tonight. Oh look, here comes a big green frog. Hop into the pond, let's draw a log. Splash some blue for the water's flow. Let's make the scene come alive, let's go. Daddy Pig's fun is all around, from the hills to the colorful ground. Let's add a kite flying up so high. Draw some birds as they soar in the sky. The clouds are fluffy like cotton candy. Everything's bright and oh so dandy. Color, color, let's all create. With Daddy Pig, it's never too late. Shape and shade, make your world so bright. Let's color with Daddy Pig tonight. Let's go on a journey we can explore. Draw a jungle, let's see what's in store. A lion's roar and a monkey swing. And don't forget to draw a pretty thing. Let's add a tiger with stripes so bold, and a big tall giraffe with spots of gold. In the jungle, the trees are so high. We'll color them green, reaching the sky. Color, color, let's all create. With Daddy Pig, it's never too late. Shape and shade, make your world so bright. Let's color with Daddy Pig tonight. Daddy Pig loves to go on a ride. In a car, on a road that's wide. Let's draw a road winding through the hills. We'll fill it with colors and have some thrills. Draw a rainbow car so fun and neat, with spinning wheels and sing so sweet. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. The road is waiting and so are you. Color, color, let's all create. With Daddy Pig, it's never too late. Shape and shade, make your world so bright. Let's color with Daddy Pig tonight. Hey, hey friends, don't stop now. Draw a smiley face and take a bow. Let's add some stars twinkling above. The night is here with colors we love. Daddy Pig's drawing makes it all clear. Come join the fun and bring your cheer. Daddy Pig, and think about.
Yay! Great job coloring with us today on Coloring with Paachyy. Want more fun? Download exclusive coloring pages. Just check the link in the description. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel for more fun coloring adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.